My name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the W222 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560. We're going to talk about the wireless charging that's built into the car. This is definitely something that wasn't in the 2016 model, the car I had previously. But if you have a full load of passengers in your car, 5 people, or let's say 1 or 2 person forgot their charger, you have just enough cigarette lighter in your car to only charge maybe 1 or 2 phones, you do have an option. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to go over the wireless charging. First, I'm going to go over some requirements, some specs for the wireless charging in your car. I'm going to go ahead and change the views and basically show you. It's basically located in the center console. So let me go ahead and change the view now. All right, so we're going to come here. We're going to press this. And there it is. That's the wireless charger. You basically place your phone flat with the screen facing up. And let me just go over some requirements for this. For the small mobile phone, may not be able to charge in every position of the mobile phone storage compartment. Large mobile phone which do not rest flat in the mobile phone storage compartment may not be able to charge or connected with the vehicle exterior antenna. The mobile phone may heat up during the charging process. To ensure more efficient charging and connection with the vehicle exterior antenna, remove the protective cover from the mobile phone. When charging, the match should be used if possible. And to see a list of compatible phones or QI compatible phones, you can basically go to Mercedes-Benz.com/connect. And basically it will show you different types of phones that you can use with this. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to place the mobile phone as close to the center. It's going to be lying on the mat itself, and like I said before, with the display or the face of your mobile phone facing upward. And when the charging symbol is shown in the multimedia, even on your phone itself, you can tell that the phone is being charged. So I'm going to go ahead and basically place this phone on the mat and basically change the view again to the internal views of the cell phone to show you that the phone is being charged. And like I said, you're on long trips, someone forgot their charger, you don't have enough cigarette lighter to charge everybody's phone. This is very helpful, especially if that person doesn't want to use the phone right then and there. He just want to charge it maybe halfway percent or maybe even full on a nice drive. This is very convenient, very helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and put the phone on the mat, and I'm going to actually change to the internal view and show you what this thing actually look like. So this is the inside of the center console, just to give you an idea of what it actually looks like. So in 2016, that middle piece definitely wasn't there. It was just one empty box. So let's go ahead and change view, and I'll show you what the symbol actually looks like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and place this phone down on the charger mat, nice and flat with the display facing up. And there go the charging symbol that we saw, 91%, and I'm going to leave it there. This is especially helpful if, like I said, you have people in your car, they forgot their charger. Most, if not all, your cigarette lighters are being used. Even if you have a dual charger for your cigarette lighter or you don't have an extra one, this is definitely useful. If the person doesn't need to use the phone now, but they want to charge their phone, and you can actually close this center console while the phone is being charged. Take it out half an hour later and give them back a phone that's fully charged or halfway charged, or so they can use it on long distance. So definitely it's very helpful. Definitely wish I had this in the 2016 model, but with newer models, you have newer features. Hopefully you learned a lot from this video. Subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you soon.